Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video, we'll be solving another very interesting question from radical expressions. Cube root of 2 plus square root 5 plus cube root of 2 minus square root 5. So let's get started. We will consider this expression equal to x first. Now I will take cubing both sides. So x cube will be equal to cube root of 2 plus square root 5 plus cube root of 2 minus square root 5 whole cube. Now we can think about this is our A and this is our B. Then it is the formula for A plus B whole cube, which we can write A cube plus B cube plus 3 times AB times A plus B. So I will write x cube will be equal to cube root of 2 plus square root 5 whole cube. This is A cube. Now cube root of 2 minus square root 5 whole cube. This is B cube plus 3 times cube root of 2 plus square root 5 times cube root of 2 minus square root 5, and then we have A plus B. So I will write x. This is A, this is B. So A plus B will be x. Now we can cancel cube root and cube. So we can write x cube equal to 2 plus square root 5 plus 2 minus square root 5 plus 3 times cube root of 2 plus root 5 times 2 minus root 5 times x. Now we can cancel plus root 5 and minus square root 5. So right hand side we can write as x cube equal to 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 3 times cube root of 2 plus root 5 times 2 minus root 5 times x. Now here we can see it is a plus b times a minus b form. So we know that a plus b times a minus b. This we can write a square minus b square. So I will write x cube will be 4 plus 3 times cube root of 2 square minus root 5 square times x, or we can write x cube equal to 4 plus 3 times cube root of 4 minus 5 times x. Let me write x here. So x cube will be equal to 4 plus 3x times cube root of negative 1. Now we know that minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Once we take cube root both sides, we will get cube root of minus 1. So here I will write minus 1. So x cube will be equal to 4 plus 3x times minus 1, or x cube will be equal to 4 minus 3x. 4 minus 3x. Take all the terms to LHS. X cube plus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this cubic equation. I will use method of factorization. So I can consider splitting of 3x. So I will write x cube plus 3x, I will write minus x plus 4x. So this will give us plus 3x. Then we have minus 4 equal to 0. Now from these two terms, I can take x common. From these two, I will take 4 common. So x times x square minus 1 plus 4 times x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will use difference of two squares formula here. So I can write x times x plus 1 times x minus 1 plus 4 times x minus 1 equal to 0. Let's take x minus 1 common out. So in other bracket we'll get x times x plus 1 plus 4. RHS is 0. Or we can write x minus 1 times x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. So from here we will get two equations. Either x minus 1 will be equal to 0 or x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. So from first equation we will get our answer x equal to 1. Now we have to check our quadratic equation also. So I will use quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Here a is coefficient of x square, which is 1. B is coefficient of x, again 1. C is constant, 4 here. Let's find out x will be equal to minus b, so minus 1 plus minus a square root of b square is 1 square minus 4 times 1 times 4 over 2 times 1. So I can write x will be equal to negative 1 plus minus a square root of 1 minus 16. So I will write minus 15 over 2. Now we know that a square root of negative 1 is complex number I. So I will write minus 1 plus minus I times a square root 15 over 2. So here we are getting complex values, so we will reject. So the solution which we are going to accept, that would be x equal to 1. So our final answer becomes x equal to 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.